One of the main concerns my patients have is preserving collagen in their skin, which gives their skin its tautness and holds everything together. The biggest thing you can do to protect collagen in your skin and to maintain it is to properly protect it from the sun. And the way you do that is by using a zinc or titanium containing SPF 30 sunscreen every single day, even if it's snowing or raining outside. You want to essentially protect your collagen from getting broken down, because once it's broken down, it's hard to fix. Things that you can do though to help stimulate collagen are: one, good clean living plays a big role in that. Eating a healthy diet that's rich in antioxidants, drinking lots of water, that's all very important. One other thing that you can employ is using a retinoid or retinol cream, and that helps to stimulate collagen in the very superficial part of your skin, and it also helps prevent fine lines, helps your skin micro-exfoliate. So really the main goal is protect your skin from the sun. That'll maintain your collagen. Use a retinoid, and just good clean living, healthy diet. All of those factors will help you maintain your collagen.